Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Neo advises Ozo against wasting time with Nengi. Neo says Ozo should dump Nengi. Despite the warning gotten from BB Naija 2020 housemate Dorothy yesterday, Ozo remained in close company with Neo, and maybe for a reason, because Neo gave him some relationship advice this morning. Ozo had taken his relationship woes with Nengi to Neo, seeking solace and maybe a piece of advice or two. In response to what Ozo said, Neo told him not to waste his time chasing Nengi and focus on his hustle instead. You're a great guy. If someone is not treating you well, just pack your load and go. Give yourself some accolades, man. See how you look with all the sexiness, and just stop following someone that will keep treating you like trash. Just face your hustle and do your thing. A lot of people outside this house will want to be with you. He basically asks us to forget all the Nengi trouble and focus, adding that Ozo is a good-looking man and would have no problem getting a girl outside the house. According to Neo, he further said that Ozo should not let any lady treat him like garbage for the sake of love. Ozo has been on a wild goose chase for weeks trying to get Nengi to be his girlfriend. Nengi, on her end, has consistently said that she has no intention of being in a relationship with anyone, including Ozo, who she calls her brother. Guys, what do you think about this advice Neo has just given to Ozo? Do you think this is the best advice? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.